Okay, graphing rational functions. The first thing I'm going to look for is the factored version of the problem. I want to make sure that everything's as factored as I possibly can get it. So the top is x take away 3. The bottom, I can factor out a GCF of -4, which leaves x plus 3. And nothing cancels. Because nothing cancels, there's not a hole. H-O-L-E, no hole. To find the vertical asymptote, we set the bottom equal to 0. X equals, what would make the bottom equal 0? That would be -3. So we have a vertical asymptote at -3. To find the horizontal asymptote, we look at the degrees, and since the degrees are the same, the exponents are the same, we divide the leading coefficients. Divide the leading coefficients, so that would be 1 over -4, -1/4. So we have a horizontal asymptote really close to the x-axis, going through -1/4. Horizontal asymptote, y equals -1/4. Vertical asymptote, x equals -3. Okay, we have an x-intercept. The x-intercept occurs where the top becomes 0. So if I look at the top and ask myself what would make 0 on top, that would be 3. So the x-intercept will be 3, 0.
-3?
No, +3, because it's x minus 3 on top. What would make 0 on top?
3.
3. So there's an x-intercept at 3. Okay, our y-intercept, we plug in 0 for x. So we plug in 0.
What's the vertical asymptote?
Vertical asymptote is what makes the bottom equal 0.
Oh, that's negative.
That's -3. The y-intercept is when I plug in 0 for x. So I plug in 0 for x. That would give us -3 over -12, which is 1/4. So the y-intercept is at 1/4. And from there you can slap, well, the computer will slap the curve on there for you. And it looks like that.